You might know that the name of the closest black hole to our Earth is Gaia BH1. It is about 1560 light years away from Earth. Even though it seems far away to you, it is very close in space. Now imagine that this black hole is slowly approaching our Earth. What will you do? I don't know what you will do, but there will be a lot of changes on Earth and even in the solar system. As the black hole gets closer, Earth's ocean would experience massive tides, much stronger than anything we have ever seen. This could lead to huge waves and flooding on land, which would destroy coastlines and cities. Earth's orbit around the sun could change. If the black hole pulls Earth too much, it might cause Earth to move out of its stable orbit, either getting closer to the sun or drifting away. This would drastically change the climate, making it much too hot or cold to support life. But there is no reason to be afraid. Black holes are very far away. Today's video contains 6 more such facts like this. So I am Sourashis Chakraborty. You are watching AstroSourashis. I was talking about black holes, but the closest thing to us is the moon. What could happen if it came closer? I mean, imagine waking up in the morning and seeing the moon growing in the sky and realizing that it is gradually approaching the Earth. If the moon were closer, its gravitational pull would be stronger, causing higher tides. This could lead to large ocean waves, stronger currents, and possibly even flooding in coastal areas. Right now, the Earth's rotation slows down very slowly because of the moon's gravity. If the moon were closer, this effect would be stronger, and the Earth would take longer to complete one full rotation. This would make days slightly longer over time. The closer the moon gets, the stronger its gravitational pull on Earth would be. This could affect the Earth crust, leading to more earthquakes and volcanic activity as the Earth's surface is pulled and stretched more by the moon's gravity. If the moon were close enough to Earth, it could potentially form a ring around the Earth, much like the rings of Saturn. Over time, these rings could slowly spread out and eventually fall back to Earth or be pulled into space by the Earth's gravity. But they could exist for millions of years. There is no chance of this happening because the moon is moving away from Earth every year. So let's go to the next facts. The Golden Record is a fascinating artifact of humanity's attempt to communicate with extraterrestrial life. It is part of the Voyager program launched by NASA in 1977 and is a gold-plated copper disc carrying a message from Earth designed to represent humanity's diversity and accomplishments. The idea for the Golden Record came from the visionary Carl Sagan, who was involved in the Voyager program. Sagan believed that we should send a message to any potential extraterrestrial civilizations that might encounter the spacecraft. In 1977, NASA launched the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft, both carrying copies of the Golden Record. The discs were designed to travel through space, potentially for billions of years, carrying a message about humanity. The Golden Record is a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc, chosen for its durability. It is encased in an aluminum cover. Instructions on how to play the record. The cover also contains a diagram showing the location of Earth in the galaxy. The disc itself features a collection of sound and image recordings intended to represent humanity. The Golden Record contains greetings in 55 languages, including English, Chinese, Russian, Arabic, and others. A variety of natural sounds from Earth, such as thunder, bird song, and whale calls. Sounds of human life, like a kiss, a heartbeat, and laughter. The record also includes 116 photographs, diagrams, and other images encoded in analog form. These images depict a range of topics from human anatomy to architectural landmarks, biological life on Earth, and even a diagram of how to decode the record. The images provide context for the sounds and give any potential discoverers a visual understanding of humanity's achievements and diversity. The disc also contains mathematical and scientific information that could help an extraterrestrial civilization understand the basis of human communication. These include mathematical definitions, the structure of DNA, the solar system, and even the hydrogen atom. The Golden Record remains the most famous and enduring artifact of its kind. At the beginning of the video, I told you about the closest black hole to Earth. Now I will tell you about a black hole that is nothing compared to the closest black hole to Earth. This is the largest black hole found in the universe. The largest known black hole is TON 618, a supermassive black hole located in a distant quasar. TON 618 resides a distant galaxy located roughly 10.37 billion light years away from Earth in the constellation of Canis Venatici. Because of its immense distance, observing it provides us with a glimpse into the early universe when it was formed, not long after the Big Bang. The mass of TON 618 is estimated to be about 66 billion times the mass of the Sun. This makes it one of the most massive black holes ever discovered. Its size is extraordinary, Its event horizon, the point beyond which not even light can escape, spans about 195 billion kilometers, or 121 billion miles, or roughly 1,300 times the distance from Earth to the Sun. Now what if I told you there was a planet made of diamonds? What do you think? I know you want to go there right now, right? This diamond planet is known as 55 Cancri E, and it is located about 40 light years away in the constellation Cancer. The nickname Diamond Planet arose from the possibility that 55 Cancri E's interior composition could be rich in carbon, potentially in the form of diamond. The daytime temperature is about 2400 degrees Celsius or 4350 degrees Fahrenheit, and the nighttime is slightly cooler but still extremely hot, around 1100 degrees Celsius or 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. The extreme heat and pressure, which would convert carbon into diamond deep within the planet. 55 Cancri is orbit incredibly close to its parent star, just 1.5 million miles away. In comparison, Mercury is about 36 million miles from the Sun. Its tight orbit causes extreme gravitational forces and immense heat, contributing to its extreme environment. The universe is very big, isn't it? But have you ever wondered what the farthest object is? For example, consider our Sun, a huge star. Although it is very small compared to the size of space, but think about what is the farthest star we can see. The most distant individual star observed to date is Arendelle, whose light has traveled approximately 12.9 billion years to reach Earth. This discovery offers a glimpse into the early universe, as Arendelle existed less than a billion years after the Big Bang. Arendelle was first detected by the Hubble Space Telescope in March 2022. Arendelle is estimated to be at least 50 times the mass of our Sun and millions of times more luminous, rivaling the most massive stars known. Its detection offers a unique opportunity to study the characteristics of stars that formed during the universe's early stages. Observing Arendelle provides valuable insights into the formation and evolution of the earliest stars and galaxies. Studying such distant objects helps astronomers understand the conditions of the early universe, the nature of the first generation of stars, and the processes that lead to the development of complex structures observed in the cosmos today. Now the last one. The Hubble Space Telescope's largest image to date is a detailed mosaic of the Andromeda Galaxy, our nearest major galactic neighbor, released in January 2015. This image comprises 1.5 billion pixels and offers an unprecedented view of a 61,000 light-year long stretch of Andromeda's disk. Creating such a vast mosaic required meticulous planning and execution. The Hubble Space Telescope had to capture thousands of high-resolution images across different wavelengths, which were then carefully stitched together to form the final composite. This process ensured uniformity in exposure and color balance, resulting in a seamless and scientifically valuable image. So be sure to let me know what you think about these facts. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more, subscribe to AstroSourashis. See you with another amazing video. Stay well and stay healthy.